Software release management is the process of overseeing the entire lifecycle of a software release. This includes everything from planning and development to testing, deployment, and maintenance. It is a crucial aspect of software development, ensuring that software is delivered efficiently and reliably with minimal disruption to users. Think of it as the conductor of an orchestra, coordinating all the different instruments, or in this case, teams and processes, to create a harmonious symphony, which is a successful software release. Effective software release management offers numerous benefits for organizations. It helps deliver high-quality software by ensuring all code changes undergo rigorous testing and quality assurance processes. By automating repetitive tasks, it speeds up the release process, allowing for faster time to market. This agility is crucial in today's fast-paced software development landscape. Moreover, it minimizes downtime and disruptions for users during releases, improving customer satisfaction and reducing potential revenue loss. Release planning involves defining the scope, timeline, and resources for a software release. It's akin to creating a detailed roadmap for a journey, outlining the destination, the release goals, the route, which is the release process, and the estimated time of arrival, or the release date. This stage involves identifying stakeholders, defining release criteria, and establishing clear communication channels. For example, a release plan for a mobile banking app might include features like new payment integrations, security updates, and performance improvements, along with their respective deadlines and responsible teams. Version control systems like Git track every modification made to the software codebase. Imagine a meticulous librarian meticulously cataloging every revision and annotation in a book. This allows developers to work concurrently on different parts of the software without overwriting each other's changes. It also provides a safety net by allowing for easy rollbacks to previous versions if bugs are discovered. For instance, if a new feature introduces a critical error, developers can revert to a stable version of the codebase while they work on a fix. Environment and configuration management. Creating consistent environments. This component ensures that software is developed, tested, and deployed in consistent environments. Think of it as creating identical replicas of a stage production, ensuring that the performance runs smoothly regardless of the venue. This involves managing servers, databases, network configurations, and other infrastructure components. By maintaining consistency across development, testing, and production environments, potential issues arising from environmental discrepancies can be minimized. Coordination and communication, keeping everyone informed. Effective communication and coordination are paramount throughout the software release process. It's like the stage manager in a theater production, ensuring that everyone involved is on the same page and working towards the same goal. This includes keeping all stakeholders informed about the release progress, any issues encountered, and their resolutions. Regular meetings, status reports, and communication tools like Slack or Microsoft Teams play a crucial role in facilitating seamless information flow. Change management, controlling and tracking changes. Change management involves controlling and tracking changes made to the software during the development and release process. It's similar to a meticulous editor reviewing and approving every alteration made to a manuscript. This ensures that all changes are documented, reviewed, and authorized before being implemented. By managing changes effectively, organizations can minimize the risk of introducing errors or inconsistencies into the software. Quality assurance, ensuring software quality. Quality assurance, or QA, is an integral part of software release management, focusing on ensuring the software meets the defined quality standards. Think of it as a team of meticulous inspectors scrutinizing every detail of a product before it reaches the market. This involves various testing methodologies, including functional testing, performance testing, security testing, and usability testing. By identifying and addressing bugs and vulnerabilities early in the development cycle, QA helps deliver a more stable and reliable software product. Deployment automation, streamlining the release process. Deployment automation involves automating the process of deploying software to various environments. It's like having a well-oiled machine that takes care of the repetitive tasks involved in moving the software from development to testing to production. This includes automating tasks like compiling code, running tests, packaging the software, and deploying it to servers. Automation reduces the risk of human error, speeds up the release process, and allows for more frequent releases. Rollback and recovery handling unexpected issues. Despite rigorous testing, issues can arise after a software release. The rollback and recovery component focuses on having plans in place to quickly revert to a previous stable version of the software if necessary. It's like having a safety net that allows you to quickly undo a mistake and revert to a stable state. This might involve restoring from backups, redirecting traffic to a previous version of the application, or rolling back specific changes. Post-release activities monitoring and support. Once the software is released, the process doesn't end there. Post-release activities involve monitoring the software's performance, gathering user feedback, and providing ongoing support. This is similar to a customer service team addressing user queries and resolving any issues that arise after a product launch. Monitoring tools help identify and diagnose problems in real time, while user feedback provides valuable insights for future releases.